If you've been looking for a way to make your Instagram grid a little more aesthetic, I'm going to show you how to do that, especially if you use Instagram Reels. This is going to be very helpful for you, and you can update the way that your Instagram feed looks, even if you've already posted a lot of Instagram Reels. So let me walk you through the process of updating your feed and making it a little more aesthetic. You'll want to start with designing your grid using Canva, and you'll do that by designing the covers or the templates that you'll use for your Reels and your posts, and the covers of them. I'm using Canva, and this is actually a template and a stock photo from my content membership. So if I were going to mock this up after I've created a few templates, I would open up a blank page here on Canva, and I would go to Elements, and I would scroll to the grids, and I would look for a mock-up of, I believe it's 9. So it's going to be this one here with the 9 squares, but when you put it on the taller page, it's going to look like your Reels feed. So I've previously mocked something up that looks like this, or something that looks like this. This is all, again, using templates that are inside of my content membership that I create for our members every month, all of our Reels templates and content templates. So we can start to actually apply them to our Instagram Reels. And you can do this retroactively. So you can go back to your older Reels and modify your covers so that your feed starts to change and look how you want it to. So here we are on my Instagram account, and it's a little bit messy. It's a little pulled together, a lot of the same colors, a lot of the same fonts, and a lot of memes, which is fine. But if I wanted to cover the memes with something more aesthetic, something a little less cluttered feeling, I would go ahead and go over to my Reels tab, and you can see they all basically don't have covers. There's some of them do, but they all basically don't. So go into the 3 dots, and I would tap on Manage. Then you'll want to tap on Edit, and then you see the thumbnail off to the left-hand side. You're going to tap Edit there, and it's going to pull up the cover. So you can choose a new cover from your actual reel, but you could also click on the blue button at the bottom where it says Add from Camera Roll, and now you can upload the design that you created from Canva. So if this was the design, I would go ahead in Canva and tap on download it as a PNG, and I just want this page, and download it to my camera roll. Then back, and I would add that particular image, and then I would hit done, and then I would hit the blue check mark, and once that saves and I go back to my feed, that is now the cover image. And so you would just repeat that process to match the grid that you designed. Then once you're finished, you will have a finished reel grid that matches your brand and is aesthetically pleasing. So now that you've learned everything you can about that process, I've got a few of these free for you right below the video in this description. So be sure to check those out, and I'll see you in the next one.